The solar system is home to a vast collection of celestial bodies orbiting a central star, the Sun. It consists of 8 major planets, along with moons, asteroids, comets, and smaller objects, all following paths around the Sun. Each of these celestial bodies has unique features that spark curiosity and wonder, and together, they form a dynamic and complex system. At the heart of the solar system lies the Sun, the star that provides the energy needed to sustain life on Earth. It accounts for 99.86% of the solar system's total mass and keeps all the planets in their orbits. The Sun is a massive ball of plasma where nuclear reactions release enormous amounts of energy in the form of light and heat. This energy is essential for Earth's climate and life, influencing everything from tides to seasonal cycles. Additionally, the Sun is constantly active, with solar storms that can even disrupt communication systems and electronics on Earth. The closest planet to the Sun is Mercury, the smallest of the 8 planets. Mercury is a world of extremes, with temperatures that swing drastically between day and night. During the day, temperatures can soar to 430 degrees Celsius 806 degrees Fahrenheit, while at night, they plummet to minus 180 degrees Celsius minus 292 degrees Fahrenheit. Without a significant atmosphere, Mercury is exposed to constant meteor impacts and solar radiation. Its surface is scarred by craters and smooth plains, remnants of a violent and chaotic past that tell stories of collisions with other celestial bodies billions of years ago. Venus, the second planet from the Sun, is similar in size and composition to Earth, but drastically different in surface conditions. Shrouded in a thick atmosphere of carbon dioxide and sulfuric acid clouds, Venus traps heat so efficiently that its surface temperature reaches a scorching 475 degrees Celsius 887 degrees Fahrenheit, making it the hottest planet in the solar system. The atmospheric pressure on Venus is 92 times greater than Earth's, equivalent to being 900 meters, 3,000 feet, underwater. Venus also has a peculiar rotation, spinning backward compared to most planets, meaning the Sun rises in the west and sets in the east. Earth, the third planet from the Sun, is the only known world to harbor life. It stands out for its abundant liquid water, oxygen-rich atmosphere, and diverse ecosystems that support a vast array of life forms. Earth's atmosphere shields us from harmful solar radiation, regulates temperature, and maintains a delicate balance that allows forests, oceans, and deserts to thrive. Our planet is a unique example of how a complex system can create and sustain life in an otherwise hostile universe. Earth's biosphere, encompassing all living ecosystems, is a fragile web of interactions between organisms and their environment, making it an extraordinary case of biodiversity and resilience. Mars, the fourth planet, is known as the red planet due to its rusty hue caused by iron oxide on its surface. Mars is a desert world with mountains, valleys, and canyons that hint at a geologically active past. Evidence suggests Mars once had liquid water, fueling the search for signs of past or present life. Today, Mars is the focus of numerous space missions aiming to study its climate, geology, and potential for life. Among its notable features are Olympus Mons, the solar system's largest volcano, and Valles Marineris, a canyon so deep and vast it makes the Grand Canyon look tiny in comparison. Jupiter, the largest planet in the solar system, is a gas giant made mostly of hydrogen and helium. Famous for its Great Red Spot, a colossal storm raging for over 300 years, Jupiter is a world of extremes. Its atmosphere is marked by colorful cloud bands and powerful storms, some larger than Earth itself. Jupiter is also orbited by numerous moons, the most notable being Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. Europa, in particular, intrigues scientists because it likely harbors a subsurface ocean beneath its icy crust, possibly hosting life. Io, on the other hand, is the most volcanically active body in the solar system, with over 400 active volcanoes constantly reshaping its surface. Saturn, the sixth planet, is renowned for its stunning ring system, composed of billions of ice and rock particles orbiting the planet in an incredibly thin band. Like Jupiter, Saturn is a gas giant with such low density that it would float in water if there were an ocean large enough. Among Saturn's moons, Titan stands out for its thick atmosphere and lakes of liquid methane, making it one of the most intriguing moons in the solar system. Titan is the only other celestial body besides Earth known to have stable liquids on its surface, raising questions about the possibility of life, albeit in forms very different from what we know. Uranus, the seventh planet, is unique for its extreme axial tilt, causing it to rotate on its side. This results in extreme seasons, where one pole faces the sun for 42 years, while the other remains in darkness. Uranus is an ice giant, composed of water, ammonia, and methane, giving it a distinct blue-green hue. The planet also has a lesser-known but fascinating ring system, and is orbited by several dark, mysterious moons. Miranda, one of Uranus' moons, has such a bizarre and varied surface that scientists believe it was shattered and reassembled multiple times in its history. Neptune, the eighth and farthest planet from the Sun, is a dynamic world with the fastest winds in the solar system, reaching speeds of 2,100 kilometers per hour, 1,300 miles per hour. Like Uranus, Neptune is an ice giant but is known for its deep blue color and massive storms, such as the Great Dark Spot. Triton, Neptune's largest moon, is one of the few in the solar system that orbits in the opposite direction of its planet's rotation and shows geological activity even at extremely low temperatures. Triton is also famous for its nitrogen geysers, which shoot icy plumes kilometers above the surface, a phenomenon that puzzles scientists. Pluto, reclassified as a dwarf planet in 2006, continues to fascinate scientists and the public. Located at the edge of the solar system, Pluto is a small, icy world with a highly elliptical orbit. It is accompanied by its largest moon, Charon, and together they form a unique binary system. Despite its reclassification, Pluto remains a subject of great interest, especially after NASA's New Horizons flyby in 2015, which revealed stunning details about its surface and atmosphere. Pluto's terrain consists of frozen nitrogen, methane, and carbon monoxide, creating color patterns ranging from bright white to dark brown. Between Mars and Jupiter lies the asteroid belt, a region filled with thousands of rocky fragments orbiting the Sun. These asteroids are remnants of the solar system's formation and vary in size, from tiny pebbles to large bodies like Ceres, which is classified as a dwarf planet. The asteroid belt provides crucial clues about the early solar system and is a target for future space missions. Some asteroids, like Vesta and Pallas, are so large they have nearly spherical shapes, and studying them could reveal valuable insights into planetary formation. Comets and meteoroids are also key parts of the solar system. Comets are made of ice, dust, and rock, and as they approach the Sun, they develop bright tails stretching millions of kilometers. These objects are considered primordial remnants of the material that formed the solar system. Meteoroids, on the other hand, are small fragments that, upon entering Earth's atmosphere, create shooting stars. If a meteoroid survives its passage and hits the ground, it's called a meteorite. Meteorites found on Earth provide a direct link to space, allowing scientists to study the composition of other celestial bodies without sending probes. The solar system is a vast and mysterious place. From giant planets to tiny celestial bodies, each has a story to tell. Continued exploration of these worlds reveals more about our origins and the workings of the universe. As technology and space missions advance, we'll keep uncovering the solar system's secrets, expanding our knowledge, and fueling our curiosity about the cosmos. Now that you've learned more about the solar system, subscribe to the channel to keep exploring the universe. And let us know in the comments, which part of the solar system fascinates you the most? Let's continue this journey together.